So, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have with us Shreya, and before we start and tell you कि what this video is all about, I would want Shreya आप थोड़ा सा अपना एक brief introduction दे दो.
Hello everyone, my name is Shreya and I am from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. I have done my schooling from there only and I was from ICSE board and it was all girls school. Right now I am doing my graduation from Deshbandhu College, Delhi University, and I am pursuing Bachelor's of Science from Chemistry.
Okay, that's great Shreya, and so आपको इंट्रोडक्शन से पता चल गया होगा कि दिस वीडियो इज़ गोइंग टू बी ऑल अबाउट Bachelor's of Science in Chemistry from Deshbandhu College. How is the college and what the course is like? So let's begin with the first question. तो श्रेया आप मुझे थोड़ा ये बताओ कि आपने जो कोर्स चूज़ किया वो क्यों चूज़ किया? व्हाट वाज द बैकग्राउंड स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट?
Since I was from a PCM background, I was not sure what career option I would be choosing. Uh, but I had also given JE and I got I got a decent rank. So I was getting civil engineering in good government colleges. But I did not wanted to pursue that course, so I decided to move this side. And I decided this option because my mom is also a teacher and I want to see the future option in this career field only, that I am thinking of that first I'll complete this bachelor's, after that I'll apply for masters, and then I will do net JRF. I would most probably do it after that, and after that after clearing net JRF, I'll see what other options are available there, and then I'll
ओके, दैट्स क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग कि आपने काफ़ी ज़्यादा एनालाइज किया चीज़ों को एंड देन you were getting some other course but you chose this course, and I feel कि it is helpful for you right now and you are enjoying the course. Okay, so moving to the next question, Shreya, आप मुझे अपने कॉलेज में आप जो कोर्स कर रहे हो उसमें जो फैकल्टी आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं उनके बारे में थोड़ी डिटेल्स आप बता पाओ.
Okay, so the teachers that are teaching me are very nice, and most of them have completed their PhD and masters from reputed colleges. Like our organic chemistry professor she has done her masters and PhD from IIT Roorkee, and many of our professors like that have completed their masters most probably from even IITs, or from Delhi University only, or from JNU. So most of them are obviously proficient in the subjects and they have a vast knowledge about their subject.
सो टीचर्स का एडवांस होना लाइक द इन क्वालिफिकेशंस इन दैट मैनर आई वाज सेइंग, उस वे में एडवांस होना इज़ क्वाइट हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. एंड ऑल्सो श्रेया, कैन यू टेल मी स्टूडेंट्स कैसे हैं आपके बैच में, लाइक आपके सीनियर्स जूनियर्स एंड आपके बैच में बच्चे कैसे हैं? हाउ आर दे?
Actually, my course is very hectic, so I don't get to interact to a lot of students, to a lot of seniors and juniors. But right now, many of us seniors have given CUT PG, and they would be applying for masters, and many of them have also given IIT JAM, and 4 to 5 have also cleared them. So obviously, they would be doing their masters from IITs or NITs. And talking about my batchmates, obviously they most of them want to choose this career field only because if we are doing BSc from any core subject like chemistry, physics or math, so most of us see our future option either in doing masters or some research oriented work, and some of them would be preparing for competitive exams like SSC, UPSC and all.
That's great. I mean, even the environment in your batch and the sitting, like the classroom environment, is quite interesting, and everyone is so well advanced and सारे ही they're oriented towards their
Yes, they know
career.
what they have to do.
हाँ, I mean, yeah, they are oriented towards कि उनको क्या करना है and what is their end goal. So that's quite impressive. So Shreya, what would be your advice? Will you suggest a student who, like the freshers, as they have written their exam and they'll be applying to colleges अभी अभी अब इस सेशन के लिए. सो व्हाट विल बी योर एडवाइस टू योर जूनियर्स कि उनको देशबंधु कॉलेज से बीएससी केमिस्ट्री उनको करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए देशबंधु कॉलेज से, या व्हाट कुड बी द पर्क्स ऑफ डूइंग इट फ्रॉम योर कॉलेज स्पेसिफिकली, एंड व्हाट आर which colleges could be a better option or a good option for them?
Yes. Actually, the most important thing that depends on choosing a college is the crowd and environment, because teachers in DU are almost same and they get promoted or get transferred
Yeah.
from North Campus to South Campus. So it does not depends basically on teachers. It depends on the crowd.
Yes.
So in North Campus, you can get a good crowd, a good cluster of people who are more career oriented like that. But obviously, it's not like here also. People in my batch are career oriented. They know what they have to do. So yes, it's a pretty good decent college. If you get this course, obviously you can do it from here.
Okay, so it's a good space to be at. And one more question which I have is कि आपके कॉलेज में ये कोर्स करने के लिए बच्चों को CUET स्कोर कितना उनका आना चाहिए so that they can get admission into this college?
Okay, so I am from unreserved category and my score was around 620 out of 800, including general test is not compulsory for this course. You have to give physics, chemistry, maths, plus a language. Yes. So it was for me. It was around 620, and for reserve category, I think it was around 550 plus. So you can easily get this course.
Okay, I mean that's interesting कि and also saying that कि जो साइंस वाले कोर्सेज हैं उसमें थोड़ा कट ऑफ भी लो जाता है ना?
Because students get distributed in different directions also. Many of them will pursue either for MBBS or BTech, and many of the, like there are very good colleges for your BSc plus masters integrated courses.
Can you name them?
Yes, like you have to give IAT, like it's a aptitude test. It's like JE only. So you get admitted to ISERs. Like there are colleges for science where you get integrated course of BSc and MSc. It's of 5 years and they are very good courses. Like from that courses you can directly get your jobs, or you get to involved in research oriented. Like you can directly get admitted into research institutes.
Yeah, that's interesting कि आप integrated course भी कर सकते हो in this field, and you will not have a burden of clearing one more exam to get into a master's college. And Shreya, as you mentioned that आपने schooling अपनी all girls school से की है, and now that you are in a co-ed college which includes both girls and boys, so how has the crowd been, and what difficulties did you face, and how is it now going, like now that you are ending your second year now, so how is it going now?
Like in the starting, I faced a lot of trouble. Like I had been studying since my childhood into a girls' college only, and that too it was an ICSE board. So like we were inculcated with a lot of discipline. With everything was so like burden. Like you have to submit this, you have to give your assignment projects on this date only. Mostly, and we used to talk like it was. We had to talk in English all the time only.
Yes.
But when I came here and see, because Delhi is very nearly connected to Haryana, so a lot of students in our college from their side. So in the beginning, I thought that how would I adjust here? They don't know how to speak, like they don't know how to speak in basic Hindi only. So how would I suggest? How would I adjust with them? So like with time, I think it is okay. There a lot of things are in life. We cannot get everything we want in our life. Actually, I wanted a girls' college only, but I don't know how did I had fill the preferences. So I got this college, and now I am happy. It's going to be 2 years, and I have a group of 3 to 4 people, and mostly my friends are girls only, so I don't face this problem. And like we have so much of labs of 4 hours straight 4 hours lab. So we don't even get that much of time to interact with
Yeah.
that people, because I think our course is hectic, so it's okay, you will adjust.
So it was a little bit of problematic during the initial
starting
days,
phase,
yeah,
yes.
and now it's going good. And also, as you mentioned, ki you wanted girls college for your college, like doing your bachelor's degree. So can you suggest which girls college could be a good option for someone who is targeting for BSc, either chemistry or any other?
So there are a lot of good colleges, like in North Campus, almost all the science courses are available in Stephens, in Miranda, like, and even Hindu also. Hindu science course is, I would suggest that it's the number one in DU. And in LSR, like in your college, we have got only two courses. It's maths and stats.
Yes.
So it's a more of a commerce and arts college as compared to science. So these are good colleges. And in girls colleges, I would prefer, like, there are Gargi College, Maitri College. So there also you have a lot of good science courses.
Okay, that's a good information. And lastly, Shreya, I would want to ask you one last question, which is how has the college been to you? How is it shaping you as a person? And the course, are you liking it? What are the problems did you face in the course? Or was it smooth enough for you? The subjects that you are studying right now, how is it going? Is it like same or different? And the difficulty level comparing it with your school?
Obviously, in graduation, studies get on a higher level.
Yeah.
So it's not like that much of burden, but like, we have our practical classes on alternate days. And it's of 4 hours, so I think it becomes a lot of hectic, and you have to stand continuously for 4 hours and perform the practical. And in first year, like, we had options, like, we were allotted G, that is general elective, but in second year, a college gave us DSC.
DSC, yes.
So and they allotted us, like, randomly. Some students got maths, some got chemistry, and some got physics. Like, this semester I got physics, so I faced a lot of problem, like, in analog electronics, and it's a slightly a tougher course, because, like, in electronics you have to study about semiconductors and all the connections you have to make, and then perform the practicals. So that practical was also of 4 hours.
Okay.
And like, in that practical, just the teachers were not that like, lenient, and they used to say, and mostly of our classes were held of physics, this it was held on Fridays. So we don't, most of the time, I don't know how, it was either some duta strike or something, like, holiday was randomly, like, even you would have noticed that in this semester we had not a lot of classes on
Yeah.
Friday. So we were not able to perform, and, like, minimum of 8 out of 12 we had to perform 8 experiments. So, like, in starting we could only perform only 2 to 3, and at the end they told us to perform 5 practicals on one day. So how
Okay.
could a student perform, and then next week we are having a practical
Practicals.
exams, and we have to study about that, plus we have our internal viva, external viva. So I actually, that was very burden this semester. And even this, like, on third we had a core paper, and on fourth we have DSE.
Yeah.
So I was literally crying that how would I study, because I had studied from
Yeah.
earlier, but obviously you need time. You
Yes, yes.
actually need one day to revise everything, plus implement how all the connections would be made. So yes, that was the difficult thing this year.
Okay, thank you so much, Shreya, for your time and giving us this much, like, good, insightful informations about your college. And with this, we come to an end. And thanks for watching.